type of macaws we can find also in the wild because all of them share the same habitat. So they can live in the wild also. And now come here. Here we have a couple. One is a male and the other one is a female. Which one is the male and which one is the female?
This is the male.
Why?
It's very the feather.
The feathers?
It's very how to explain it.
More brighter.
Not bright. More like.
They can move the feather,
Yeah.
so they can put like this up or they can
But
move
looks
down.
like a male with this feather.
What do you think?
I have no idea. Probably the size somehow, but that's
Size?
bigger.
Actually, the other looks bigger for me. This one looks like very much male. I don't know. The feather is usually they are more protective.
Alex, which is the male, which is the female?
I think the male. I think that
The
one
other is more
female.
calm. It's a woman usually.
Do you feel some difference between them? I think that's it. I don't know. So we can stay here hours, days, weeks, months. That we don't know if they are female or male because they don't have difference between them.
No gender.
So we if to know if they are female or male, we need a blood test. It's the only way that we have to know if they are female or male.
Okay.
They don't have different about the side, about the tail, about the beak, about the feather, about the color. No, nothing.
But the parrots know themselves, obviously.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but I have so
This
much
is-
feeling that it's a man.
This is Rio. Rio is the male, and this is Holly. Holly is the female.
The behavior. This one is more, how to say,
You were right, yes.
behavior.
But we cannot recognize them
Yeah.
just positive. It's the same here with Pico. It's a male, and Luna is a female, and they are the same.
They look almost the same.
Yeah.
Look almost the same, but the other, it's like how it's not the finger. It's not used, yeah. We have a lot of birds, but from outside, but not such anymore. Birds we have not seen.
Okay, so now we're going to move here. And we're going to do the sunset.
I like the red one, it's very beautiful.
We stay there, right? Yes.
I love the red is beautiful. I can take a photo.
Here we feed them 3 times per day. So, the first food are pellets. Commercial one is the way that we have to be sure that they have all the vitamins and protein that they need. The second food is a mix between vegetables, fruits, and protein. And why do you think that we waste time to make the food like this? I mean,
Smash.
we just cut the food and the vegetables in pieces like this, and put here on the feeder, and they can eat. But no, we waste time to make like this. Why?
I don't know. Why?
Because it's the way that we have to be sure that they eat everything. If we leave the piece, they can choose what they are going to eat or not.
Yeah.
It's like, I like this, I eat.
Oh, it's like
I
kids.
don't like,
Yeah.
yes, it's the same as baby. For example, Pico doesn't like broccoli. He doesn't like. So we make like a mix like this and they eat everything.
Okay.
And okay, first food, second food, the last one. What do you think about that? Is that food for them or not? No, right? So, why I show you this if I am talking about food?
Alright.
Something
Yes. With the animals, when they are in a controlled habitat, sometimes they get boring. So, with all the animals, we need to make something that we call environmental enrichment. just give them mental stimulation. Games, play. So with that we put the food inside and we close. And they have to think about to get the food. If this one is just an example, we can put a paper box or we can put toys like this, or we can put some sand with the food inside. We need to think about new things because they are so intelligent animals and they quickly know how to do it. If you put this today, maybe they spend 5 minutes to do it. If you put again the same one, tomorrow they are going to spend 1 minute. So we need to change every day. This is the food. But we train our parrot to make different exercise, and for trained animals in general, we need to give them a motivation. The motivation is the food. The point is that we don't make a training with them every day, but they need it every day. So we have the normal diet that I explained, and then we have like a extra. When we train with them, we give the motivation like it's the way that they have to understand us, and it's the way that we have to teach them. Like, okay, stay here. If you stay here, I give you a seat. Or come here with me. If you come here with me, a seat. Or I don't know, just any type of exercise you are going to see on our presentation. So the more common are seat because it's a little one, just for daily exercise. Just come here with me, go inside of the gate, go back. If they do something more difficult or something that is new for them or something that they used to have to do but now they have problem to do it because they have losing the train or something like that, we give them more motivation, of course. So we use peanut, almond, hazelnut, and walnut. So and they can understand like, okay, this is a seed, so it's a basic thing. Oh, okay, this is a walnut, so I have to do it very well. It's the way that we have to communicate with them, and they understand that. That's all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alex, you want?
Last choice, chance.
Anybody knows if this is the place where concerts take place before the educational? Yes? Yes, DJ Noah? Is this it? Okay, great. I found it. Finally. How are you doing? Are you having a good day? Yes? Wonderful. Let's have a musical moment then. Musical, please. Now I'm the queen of swingers, Jungle VIP. I'm spinning the world and had to stop it, that's what's bothering me. I'm gonna be a mermaid cat, strolling in town. I'm just tired of monkeying around and this is what I found. And do, I wanna be like you. I wanna talk like you, yes, just like you. That somebody like me can learn to be somebody like you. I'm gonna make a deal with you. I want something from you. All I want is your fire. That's my great desire. I'm gonna make a deal with you. Guess I want something from you. All I want is your fire. That's my great desire. I wanna be like you. I wanna talk like you. Walk like you. Somebody like you. Yeah, yep, amazing dancers. Yep, we are Fantasy Dance Entertainment, and we're here every day to make a fun day a little bit more fun. Oh, that's what we try. Big applause for Coco the Looks, too great dancer and great comedian. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And we also need to give you this message of respect towards nature. We really want to make use of this moment when we're here together to transmit this idea and this thought concerning environment, where we try to become warriors to try to help the planet in any situation that could be damaged, right?
It's so important, it's so important. And from Mediterraneo Marine Park, we encourage you to take care of our environment, yeah? Planet Earth. We have only one planet, and it's so important to take care, yes? And we can change, little change, you know? In daily routines, daily activities like reuse, recycling, no littering, you know? It's very simple. We can work together towards a best and more sustainable society. That is the idea, okay? Oh, sorry. Thank you. What?
What's going on here? You just said no littering, respecting the planet. What's going on?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, now what?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah, come on, tell them.
I'll be honest, okay, I have a problem. Yeah, I need your help. Yeah, please, all of you, say me boo. Yeah, I don't feel anything, okay? More. Good, try this. Good idea, put your thumbs down and say boo. Good. I'm feeling now. Yeah, I'm feeling it now, yeah, for sure. Thank you so much. You'll see, now I'm learning, okay?
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Does anyone that their lifespan is between 50 and 80 years, and the record is 102 years. As you can imagine, they are not easy to keep as pets. With this, we welcome the oldest member of our family. Matt is exactly 45 years old. Over time, many of us, he is a blue and golden macaw or Arararani. Parrots have very good vision. They recognize different colors and shapes because they need to differentiate from toxic food in the wild. And they are even able to see ultraviolet radiation. Good boy, Mac. Good job, Mac. A big applause. Now we will say goodbye to our Mac and we will introduce you our Zico. How is 6 years old. Bye bye, Mac. Now it's time to meet Zico. He is another rescue hybrid macaw, and he is a very polite parrot who likes to greet our visitors. Hello, baby. Okay, Zico. Do you want to say hello, good boy? Can you show us the beautiful wings? Good boy. And before he always says, bye, good boy. Let's try again on the other side. Zico, do you want to say, can you show us your beautiful wings? Good boy. Can you say to the people, bye, good boy. Now you will see how strong they are. In nature, they even eat coconut, so they are strong enough to break the shell of a coconut. Their break is twice as strong as a Rottweiler bite. You see this walnut? Can you check it's not broken? Give it to him, please. As you see, they use the tongue to move the walnut until he thinks the white is cold, and then he begins to open it. They have a bone inside the tongue, so they can use it as a finger. Very good, Zico. Now we'll say goodbye to our Zico. Bye-bye, baby. She is Holly. As you can see, she has some feathers missing. Previously, she was living alone at home as pet, where she developed this problem. This is because parrots can suffer from anxiety or depression when they do not have proper social or mental stimulation. When this happens, they suffer a lot of stress, and one thing they often do is flap or their feathers. When they do this for a long period of time, they damage their skin and some feathers do not grow back anymore. That's why you can see there are still some feathers missing even though she has already recovered. Rio has a very similar story. He was also kept as pet in the past and has suffered with plaque issues. But now, they are doing very well together. They have a stable social group with good mental stimulation, so they are able to develop their natural behavior. Here at Mediterraneo, we provide our animals with good nutrition, space, physical, mental, and social stimulation, and medical care. Now, we are going to give you a demonstration to see who arrives to the end of the road and grab the coconut first to replace the crate inside. Are you ready, girls? 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Rio! As you can see, they use their tail to balance while they walk, and they use the beak as a third leg. Good girl. Thank you for this amazing demonstration to Holly and Rio.
What
Good
would you
girl,
like
Sasa.
to what's up shop? Daddy.
Exactly.
Sometimes they will need to visit the veterinarian. When this happens, they are already allowed to go inside the transport box. As you can see, she enters comfortably, and we can close the door without any problem or stress. Now, we are going to see some flies.
Sansa, come on. Come on, Sansa. Come on. Come on, Sansa. Come on. Vamos, gorda. Venga. Sansa, come on. Come on, Sansa. Come on.
Why?
Good girl, Sansa. You are beautiful. Luna is a hybrid macaw, which is a cross between a blue and golden macaw and a green winged macaw. And they are called Arlequin macaws.